Alright, first quickly go ahead and install Termux in your Android device. First, run this command to update your system. All the commands are available in the description. You'll find the tap to copy format on my Telegram channel. Install Python and Nano to run and configure the script. Now git clone the script. Change directory to script folder and install the requirements. Now use Nano to paste your query ID inside the query ID text file. Check description to learn how to get the query ID. Save the file using CTRL, then O, then Enter. Close it by pressing CTRL and then X. Now run the script and follow the instructions on screen. You can quit the process by pressing CTRL and then C. As always, thanks for watching. If the video helped, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.